So you may have heard of this one already. Real Game FX came out with this Kickstarter for Steam Pods, and guess what just came in the mail? Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So I thought this week I would show off a Kickstarter which I backed about a year ago. This is the miniature steam machine called the Steam Pod that Real FX Games came out with. Now, the Kickstarter just recently fulfilled, so I have mine to show off, but this will, I'm sure, be available on their website shortly. The neat thing about this is you're actually able to hide it and disguise it on the tabletop and get really cool steam and fog effects. So let's get on to the unboxing and the demonstration portion of this. So I purchased or backed for a reward of 4 of these pods, which for me, for my purposes, will give me a lot of versatility on the tabletop. Now these pods can run either off of a battery pack, which you can purchase separately off of Amazon, or they can run with an included USB cable. The pod itself is a couple inches in diameter and about 4 inches long. One end has a removable cap that you pour water into to fill it, and the other end's removable cap is specifically to access the circuit panel and the steam emitter. Now, after shipping these out, Real FX Games notified everybody who had backed the product that they had an issue with the gasket seal inside of these steam pods, and that you should only use them in the vertical position for the time being. They have a replacement gasket that's in production that will ship out to all of the backers, but it's an issue that will be fixed when the products hit their store. If you lay them on their side at this point, they actually can leak a little bit of water into the area where the circuit board is, which might cause some damage to the circuit board itself. You can see right here, after I filled it, I had to wipe a little bit of that water off myself. Now, I've noticed if you have the cap cranked down really super tight, you don't get a lot of steam from these. If you back off of it just a little bit of a turn, you'll actually get more steam produced from the steam pod itself. There are 2 modes for this. One is a continuous on mode, which they say will run for about 3 hours. And the other, when the light changes color, is called puffer mode, where it runs for 6 seconds on and then 6 seconds off. I'm really excited at the immersive possibility this gives me. I think it'll be a great way to draw players into really selling that it's a swamp or a sewer or some sort of an eerie scientist laboratory. By creating these sort of FX, these tabletop effects, I think we can really draw our players into our stories. Overall, I'm really happy with this product, and I'm glad that I backed it on Kickstarter. I will be excited to get the replacement gasket just simply so that I will be able to use this horizontally as I intend to. But I think that it's a great new product hitting the market, and it'll be available on the manufacturer's website soon. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.